Vietnam is moving fast. With a culture intact, power flows into possibility. One of Southeast Asia's fastest growing economies is accelerating. And to support the growth of its economy, Vietnam must triple installed capacity, balancing reliability with sustainability. When a nation surges forward, you don't stand back, you build together. Since 1993, this has been our promise. Be present, be useful. Be here for the long run. GE Vernova is helping power Vietnam with the energy of change. Power that answers peak demand. Wind that unlocks coastlines. Hydro that steadies the grid. Electrification that connects growth. In the south, Phu My Service Center anchors our long-term commitment. 5,000 square meters of advanced maintenance and repair for the gas turbine fleet, keeping the baseload reliable and available across Vietnam and Asia. On the coast at Dong Quat, HRSG pressure part modules are built with manufacturing excellence, built in Vietnam for gas-fired combined cycle plants at home and around the world. And in the north at Hai Phong Wind Factory, one of only 5 global export hubs, where we manufacture the generators and electrical components that drive renewable energy production worldwide. Across Vietnam, factories, services, and new capacity are rising. Today, GE Vernova's installed base contribute to close to 30% of Vietnam's 87 gigawatts installed capacity, powering essential infrastructure nationwide. This is investment in manufacturing, innovation, and people, accelerating the energy transition.
Safety first,
Always.
skills,
That travel. Local.
strength,
Build here for the world. Powering.
tomorrow.
Opportunities for us all.
Our mission is clear: electrify to thrive and decarbonize the world. Together with Vietnam, we have the energy,
The energy.
The energy
To change the world.